लेकिन मैं भी क्या कह रही हूँ, आपके तीसरे ट्राइमेस्टर में हमने आपको देखा उल्टा लटकते हुए। कैन यू टेल अस व्हाट आर द नॉर्म्स दैट यू वर श्योर यू वांटेड टू ब्रेक अबाउट दिस प्रेगनेंसी फेज, कि ऐसा नहीं करना है, वैसा नहीं करना है?
मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे नहीं आता कि ओ ये नॉर्म है चलो इसको ब्रेक करो। आई एम जेन्युइनली अ पर्सन, मे बी शायद बहुत लोग मेरे बारे में नहीं जानते हैं, बट माई फ्रेंड्स एंड माई लव्ड वंस नो दिस दैट आई एम एक्सट्रीमली एडवेंचरस। मतलब आई एम समवन जो लीप ऑफ फेथ लाइफ में लेते ही रहते। इनफैक्ट व्हेन आई फाउंड आउट दैट आई वाज प्रेग्नेंट, मैं न्यूजीलैंड में थी और मैं स्काई डाइविंग करने जा रही थी,
ओह माय
बट
गॉड।
नहीं की। सो आई एम एंजॉइंग लाइफ, मैं वो चीजें कर रही हूँ जो मुझे खुशी देती है। इवन तो प्यार का पंचनामा वन डिड सो वेल, देयर वाज नो वर्क फॉर मी टिल प्यार का पंचनामा 2 हैपेंड।
ओके।
एंड बाहरी दुनिया में लगता है कि ओ वाओ पहली फिल्म सुपर हिट।
अब क्या चल रहा है? कुछ तीन वीन आ रहा है क्या? कुछ आपको सुना है? कुछ बताओ।
यार उतना ही सुना है जितना ये मेरे से
नहीं,
लोग
अच्छा
पूछते
चलो,
हैं।
क्या सुना है आपने? चलो ये जान लेते हैं।
यही कि 3 आ रही है, बट कब आ रही है, किसके साथ आ रही है, कुछ नहीं पता। बट आई ऑनेस्टली डोंट नो वी ये कॉन्वर्सेशंस आई थिंक बाहर ही ज्यादा हो रही हैं, अंदर तो आई नॉट हर्ड एनीथिंग।
Were there any apprehensions when you all announced your pregnancy on social media?
Yeah, we both didn't want to announce. It was we in fact kept
And did
it.
you all keep delaying it?
या हमने कब से, and people would ask me because हमने आई थिंक फैमिली और मतलब क्लोज फ्रेंड्स को भी काफ़ी 5th मंथ में बताया था, और मे बी 4th मंथ में। आई रिमेंबर वो एक वीडियो आई थी एंड दैट वेंट एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वेयर पीपल genuinely speculated, like we started getting calls like, so I was like, oh, okay. Now I just can't say कि I had a big lunch, yaar. Hi, I'm Sonali Sajnani, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.
शी इज़ एन एक्टर हु इज़ अ ट्रीट टू वॉच ऑन स्क्रीन। मतलब ऐसे तो वो ऐसे रोल्स करती है जहाँ हमें लगता है कि इनके साथ अच्छा नहीं होना चाहिए। लेकिन क्या करे यार, ये प्यार का पंचनामा वाली लड़की जो है वो हमेशा हमारा दिल जीत लेती है। हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड हंगामा। माय नेम इज उर्मिन एंड इन अ होल न्यू अवतार, शैल आई से, जय मम्मी दी।
Oh, I never thought of that.
सोनाली सजनानी, हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
I'm good. How are you, Urmil?
बधाइयाँ जी, बहुत बहुत
Thank you,
बधाइयाँ।
ji. Thank you,
हाउ
ji.
डज इट फील? कैसा लग रहा है?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Like amazing. You know, every time someone asks me that, and I just stop at amazing because there's just so many wonderful emotions
Yeah.
that just one word is enough for now.
Can you tell us what are the changes you've seen in yourself since the time you've heard about this good news? Because man, you are at it. मतलब क्या क्या कर रही हैं? शीर्षासन कर रही हैं, पिक्चर आ गई अभी आपकी. So tell us, how does this change feel for you?
You know, at a material level, not really. Like my life is, मैं पहले भी वर्कआउट करती थी,
हाँ.
अभी भी कर रही हूँ. काम भी जितनी हद तक हो सकता है, you know, work is there. I think, but at a mental and a spiritual level, lots changes. There is a shift that happens. I think मैं शायद ज़्यादा काम हो गई हूँ, और पॉजिटिव हो गई हूँ. कभी कोई चीज़ बॉदर भी करती है या ऐसा कुछ रोने का मन करता है या गुस्सा आता है, सो देन इंस्टेंटली यू नो बहुत ईजी हो जाता है वो शिफ्ट करना कि नो 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 बेबी बेबी. सो देन यू नो यू समहाउ बिकम हैप्पियर बाय प्रैक्टिसिंग दैट. सो उसके अलावा जस्ट आई थिंक इट्स सबसे ज़्यादा ज़िंदगी का दैट काम फेज वेर यू आर जस्ट वर्किंग ऑन योर सेल्फ.
We're so glad that you're doing this interview with us in your third trimester.
Yeah.
And this is an exclusive interview, by the way, दोस्तों. So it's a very special one for us also. लेकिन मैं भी क्या कह रही हूँ, आपके तीसरे ट्राइमेस्टर में हमने आपको देखा उल्टा लटकते हुए. जैसे मैंने अभी कहा, आपकी एक फिल्म भी आई है on OTT.
Yes.
So can you tell us what are the norms that you were sure you wanted to break about this pregnancy phase, कि ऐसा नहीं करना है, वैसा नहीं करना है?
You know, that's the thing, Urmin. I don't work like that. Like मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे नहीं आता कि ओ ये नॉर्म है चलो इसको ब्रेक करो. I am genuinely a person. Maybe शायद बहुत लोग मेरे बारे में नहीं जानते हैं, but my friends and my loved ones know this that I'm extremely adventurous. मतलब आई एम समवन जो लीप ऑफ फेथ लाइफ में लेते ही रहते हैं. तो मुझे बोलोगे यहाँ से कूदना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, मैं सब कर लूँगी. इनफैक्ट व्हेन आई फाउंड आउट दैट आई वाज प्रेग्नेंट, मैं न्यूजीलैंड में थी और मैं स्काई डाइविंग करने जा रही थी, बट नहीं की. आई एम नॉट मैड. सो बट वो प्लान्स बन रहे थे. सो आई वाज लाइक एक सेकेंड, you know, I think I should just like take a test before because शक तो हो ही गया था without getting into details. So I'm someone who's very adventurous as a person, and coming to you know शीर्षासन or any of the yoga that I'm doing, जब मुझे पता चला मैंने पहली कॉल ही अपने आयुर्वेदा डॉक्टर और अपने योगा टीचर को की कि मैं क्या करूं और क्या बंद करूं. So उन्होंने मुझे बोला they my plus I am also certified yoga teacher which not a lot of people know. So मैं जो भी कर रही हूँ full safety और knowledge के साथ कर रही हूँ because मैं खुद एक टीचर हूँ, मुझे पता है क्या करना है और क्या नहीं. So तो उन्होंने बोल दिया था. In fact inversions, what a lot of people don't know, जो मैं शीर्षासन करती हूँ या कोई भी inversions are very good in pregnancy, especially towards the end because वो आपकी बेबी की optimal position लेने में help करता है.
अच्छा.
So I'm enjoying life. मैं वो चीजें कर रही हूँ जो मुझे खुशी देती है. Whether it's working out, whether it's practicing yoga, whether it's whatever, and whether it's just you know proudly being a part of the film that I worked so hard on last year.
Yeah.
And I'm very very excited that you know वो film अभी release हुई because वो character भी जो है प्रीति मेरे बहुत I really had fun doing playing that part. So I'm happy कि वो एक fun film इस टाइम पे आई है and I'm thoroughly enjoying all the good reviews that it's getting and promoting it in whatever possible way.
So tell us more about जो तेरा है वो मेरा है and tell us that you know जैसे इस फिल्म में एक मेन गोल होता है and ये गोल हर इंसान का होता है living in this city कि हमें अपना खुद का घर चाहिए और बंगला मिले तो मतलब
तो क्या ही
आपका
बात
क्या
है.
एक ड्रीम था हमेशा का ये जो हो गया पूरा?
मेरा एक्चुअली ड्रीम था बॉम्बे रहना.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि मैं कैलकाटा से हूँ. अगेन नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल नो, पीपल थिंक आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली. तो मैं जब भी कैलकाटा में रहती थी तो मुझे हमेशा था कि मैं बॉम्बे जाके रहूँ.
हाँ.
मुझे पता नहीं बॉम्बे से बहुत प्यार था. समवेयर आई गेस आई न्यू कि मुझे आई वांट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री बट आई डिडंट नो कि फैशन डिजाइनर या क्या. सो वो गोल तो पूरा हो गया. आई एम वेरी मच Bombayite, Mumbaikar now.
Do you have the Mumbai traits in you? Do you feel like ऐसे कुछ चीजें हैं
जैसे वड़ा पाव पसंद करना? यस.
रिक्शा वालों के साथ झगड़े किए कभी आपने?
किसके साथ?
रिक्शा वालों के साथ.
हाँ, जब मैं स्टार्टिंग में आई थी पर झगड़े हाँ किए होंगे 100%.
और ट्रेन में गोली मारी है किसी को कभी?
यू नो वो एक चीज है जो मैं नहीं, मैंने ट्रेन में सिर्फ एक बार ट्रैवल किया है लोकल ट्रेन में. कैन यू बिलीव इट? एंड वो भी मुझे याद है मुझे 102 फीवर था. सो मेरी मम्मा ट्रेन में बहुत ट्रैवल करी हुई है जब बिकॉज आई शिफ्टेड देन माय मदर शिफ्टेड. तो वो कांदीवली से लो परेल जाती थी ट्रेन में और काफ़ी उन्होंने उस हिसाब से मेहनत की है. तो मुझे काफ़ी स्कैरी स्टोरीज भी बताती थी बिकॉज यू नो इट्स ऑलवेज. सो आई रिमेंबर मैं कांदीवली में रहती थी और मेरी मम्मी लो परेल में रहती थी. एंड एक बार मुझे बहुत हाई फीवर हुआ था एंड देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रैफिक. सो मम्मा सर अब तो लोकल ट्रेन में ही लेके जाना पड़ेगा बिकॉज हम फटाफट पहुंचेंगे और उस टाइम खाली भी था. सो 102 फीवर में मुझे याद है, बहुत साल हो गए इस बात को. दैट्स द ओनली टाइम आई वेंट ऑन अ लोकल ट्रेन.
बट कम ऑन, यू सेड दैट यू आर एडवेंचरस एंड स्काई डाइविंग से ज्यादा डेंजरस लोकल ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करना है.
आई थिंक अभी करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, मतलब नॉट नाउ
maybe not a great.
Lovely. So इस फिल्म में बहुत wonderful actors हैं आपके साथ. Tell us how was it working with Paresh Rawal?
So nice. You know, अभी of course when I was working on the film and बहुत so many like छोटे छोटे nuances होते हैं. You see them how they are on the set, off the set. I think off the set also you learn a lot. जब इतने veteran actors के साथ आप काम करते हो तो मुझे इनफैक्ट लगता है कि off the set आप ज़्यादा सीखते हो कि वो कैसे हैं, उनका demeanor क्या है, वो क्या prep कर रहे हैं डायलॉग के पहले. बट जब अभी मैं फिल्म देख रही थी ना और परेश जी का सारा काम मैंने एक साथ देखा, आई सेड अमेजिंग ना ये बिकॉज उनकी जो पर्सनैलिटी थी जो हमने उनके इतने डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स में देखा है और इस फिल्म में उनका कैरेक्टर बहुत ही बेचारा सा है. लाइक ऐसे प्यार आता है स्टार्टिंग में तो कि अरे यार ये क्या कर रहे हैं उनके साथ. एंड यू नो सो आई वाज लाइक okay, this is wonderful because there are these little looks which I know that he was not like that in person. So it was amazing and I think इतने secure actors हैं, इतने मंझे हुए actors हैं, right? So बहुत ही different setup था. I think मैंने ज़्यादातर बहुत ही younger setup में हमेशा काम किया है where there's a lot of young energy and newer talent. Yeah, I think this was one of those films जहाँ पे there's a lot of senior actors as well, and even Amit is so good, so good, even Sonali. So it was a very only a director had this really young bubbly energy. He's from New York, Raj Trivedi. He's so good. In fact, that's a very different story. How I got the film also is mainly Raj as well. So yeah, it was wonderful, the whole experience.
आपने कहा कि परेश रावल एज एन एक्टर इज़ अ वेरी सिक्योर्ड एक्टर. कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है ये? you've been in the film industry now, काफ़ी फिल्में आपकी आई है, you've seen the journey, you've seen people around you. How important do you feel is being secured in this industry?
You know, Urman, it's very important to be secured as a person, period. And I've realized it because I've also been the insecure one, you
Okay.
know, insecure one, and that happens. Life does that to you at some point. If it doesn't, then great. But I think mental sanity के लिए it's better if you work on your security. Security is stability. Sometimes जब हमारी नींव हिल जाती है या हमारे goals नहीं achieve होते हैं, whatever the reason be, you become insecure as a person.
Did it happen during after प्यार का पंचनामा?
I think it happened after Pyar Ka Panchnama 1 and in between 2.
Okay.
Because even though Pyar Ka Panchnama 1 did so well, there was no work for me till Pyar Ka Panchnama 2 happened.
Okay.
And बाहरी दुनिया में लगता है कि ओ वाओ पहली फिल्म सुपर हिट, आपके टाउन में लोग बोलते हैं कि अरे वाह वो तो बॉम्बे जाके एक्ट्रेस बन गई, उसकी फिल्म हिट हो गई. सो पीपल थिंक आपकी पहली फिल्म हिट एंड देन you're a mega star. It doesn't work like that. Forget a mega star. I didn't have work. In fact, I remember all 3 girls. We did not have work till Pyar Ka Panchnama 2 happened.
Sonali, do you look back and think कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ होगा? Do you have your theories about it?
I have multiple, but honestly, I believe like it could be multiple reasons, because Pyar Ka Panchnama 1 was a very big hit on, I was going to say OTT, but उस time OTT नहीं था, most watched film on YouTube.
On YouTube,
most downloaded film or something like that. Theaters पे उतने लोगों ने नहीं देखी थी, पर वो बहुत popular बाद में हुई थी. मतलब release पे तो हुई थी, but उतरने के बाद भी बहुत हुई थी because people were downloading, that younger generation. So it was word of mouth, it was very strong, but it didn't translate into any work. Why? Maybe I was also laid back as a person.
Okay.
Maybe I didn't think like अभी like right now I'm okay कि मैं मुझे कोई फिल्म करनी है और I really believe in it, मैं डायरेक्टर को मैसेज कर दूंगी. जो मैंने एक्चुअली जो तेरा है वो मेरा है के लिए किया मैंने डायरेक्टर को. I reached out to him. But पहले मैं ऐसी नहीं थी. So I was like हाँ, if they like me they will call me. It was literally like that. So वो कॉल्स नहीं आए. ऑडिशंस में करती थी, मॉडलिंग में फिर भी कर रही थी. सो मे बी समवेयर I got insecure that okay now what do I do, because अब तो एक्टिंग कर ली, अब तो मैंने चख लिया है ये खून. सो
शेर ने खून चख लिया है, अब यही करना है,
अब तो यही करना है. सो नाउ व्हाट? देन फॉर्चुनेटली प्यार का पंचनामा 2 हैपेंड. उस फिल्म में मैंने मेहनत भी ज्यादा की. आई वुडंट डिनाई दैट. जितनी मैंने 1 में की थी उससे ज्यादा मैंने 2 में की. आई ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड एक्टिंग मोर डीपली, जबकि मैंने एक्टिंग कोर्स वो सब मैंने 1 के पहले भी किया था, बट 2 में मैंने डेफिनेटली मेहनत ज़्यादा की, gave it more time, thought, and it was a meditative process. And I think somewhere after that, it kind of took off. And over the years, I think वो 1 minute नहीं होता है. Coming back to where we started our conversation, security. वो 1 minute नहीं होता है कि oh, I woken up from today, Sonali is very secure. No, it doesn't work. It's experiences. इसीलिए कहते हैं ना experience के साथ साथ. So I think it was a whole experiences, meeting people, observing people. I think somewhere for me, yoga and meditation.
I was just going to say that, what a great journey to have with yoga.
I to really feel that anyone in today's world, when I see that they survive without meditation, I'm like, how? Because I can't. I really feel it's the need of the hour. It could be anything for anybody, right? But you need that one thing to just center you in the day.
And especially for actors, don't you think that
it's for actors? I really feel
they get into the character and that role stays with them, right?
And so many emotions, right? If you're a good actor, you somewhere do take that baggage home or for a few hours, even if you're a switch on, switch off actor, you still take it. आपके ज़हन में subconscious में कहीं पे तो जाता है, right?
So we are glad that that did not happen with 1 and 2 in your characters, because they were very negative, नहीं, grey characters.
Yeah, they were grey. Absolutely, they were not exactly very likable characters.
Tell us now, what was going on through your mind when you were reading the script? कि यार ये क्यों ऐसी लड़की
I
है?
was like, I used to tell Lapsa, I was like, ये sir ये कुछ ज़्यादा, in fact all three of us were like, ये कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया है? कौन लड़कियां ऐसे करती हैं? Then he gave us examples like, ah, okay fine. And then I remember when we heard Karthik's monologue for the first time and उसमें कुछ एक दो चीजें थी, I was like, नहीं यार ये ज़्यादा है. And then one or two things was said, I was like, yeah, I guess I do that too. So you know, there'll be always that one little thing. But yeah, I mean, there are those kind of girls also, you know, and there are all kinds of people in the world. It's just, but it was fun. Now that when I look back,
Yeah.
I think maza aaya tha.
So you judged your character as well.
I definitely judged my character in part one.
And how,
Yeah.
which one did you
In
enjoy
part
the
two
most?
also, I think it was bad what Supriya did with Chauka.
Yeah.
Yeah, for
बहुत ही
sure.
गड़बड़ हो गई तो.
बहुत ही गड़बड़ हो गई. But then again, मुझे वही लगता है ना कि उसमें इतनी डरी हुई कई बार लड़कियां होती है. So anyway, I've stopped judging, but yeah, maybe at that point I did. I
You all
guess.
had to have a clean chit, and that's why Jai Mami Ji came.
Jai Mami. I thoroughly enjoyed doing that
Cute
film. That
film.
was really one of, again, a film very close to my heart. It was so nice. I really enjoyed doing. I think there are 2-3 films that I've मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे दिल के करीब है. Of course, 1 and 2 because I started my career because of that. But I would say जय मम्मी दी, आसिक और अब ये जो तेरा है वो मेरा है. Definitely ये 3 फिल्में हैं जो मेरे बहुत ही दिल के करीब है. आसिक also, you know, उसको उतनी what's the right word, help me, like utni नहीं promotion ज़्यादा, people did not watch it as much जितना मुझे पसंद होता, because but whoever does now also they mess because it's a horror film and it's on a true story. वो भी जियो पे थी.
हाँ.
और तो मेरी लास्ट 2 फिल्म में उसी पे आई हैं and I just feel कि वो character भी very close to my heart.
Tell us, who did you bond the most with after your first film? मतलब एक तो 6 actors एक साथ, all fresh actors, newcomers, vibe भी कुछ और होगी.
Absolutely.
आप लोग ने वो सालों साल दोस्ती रखेंगे ऐसे वाले promises किए होंगे. तो किसके साथ अभी तक वो रिश्ता अभी तक कायम है? And who did you bond the most with?
I think bonding changed with different people over the years. I think one में it was everybody because young setup, everybody knew, director knew, so it was just a very super young energy, bonded with everyone. 2 mein, I would say the girls were very close, especially Nushrat and I. In part 2, definitely we were super close.
Yeah.
We used to, you know, do all sorts of things together. We shot so many parts in Thailand, so we used to go shopping, eating, all of that. Even Sunny, very, very close to. Still am with all these guys, everybody. But I think someone with whom the bonding stayed over the years is Love Sir. Because he was also more of a mentor to all of us, is a mentor to all of us. And even now, sometimes, till a couple of years ago, definitely I would consult him on every project.
Yeah.
But even now, wherever I feel, now I've stopped bothering him. Not for every little thing, but even now, if I really need, like I need that सच्चाई कि क्या काम के बारे में or something, then he's still my go-to person.
Do you have a favorite between the two? प्यार का मौसम 1 or 2?
2 for sure.
Yeah.
I've always said that. Yeah, 2 for sure. Because I loved Supriya's character.
Yeah.
I just felt that character was also more fleshed out for me. So definitely 2. And I loved working on part 2.
I'm sure, and as you said that, you know, you really
Worked hard.
You took one step ahead in
Yes,
terms of
yes.
acting. अब क्या चल रहा है? कुछ वीन आ रहा है क्या? कुछ आपको सुना है? कुछ बताओ
यार उतना ही सुना है जितना ये मेरे से लोग पूछते
चलो
हैं।
क्या सुना है आपने? चलो ये जान लेते हैं.
यही कि 3 आ रही है, बट कब आ रही है, किसके साथ आ रही है, कुछ नहीं पता. बट आई ऑनेस्टली डोंट नो. ये कॉन्वर्सेशंस आई थिंक बाहर ही ज्यादा हो रही हैं, अंदर तो आई नॉट हर्ड एनीथिंग and we don't even talk about it.
See, now you have become such a good actor. It's becoming difficult to figure out if you're telling us the truth or not.
I always was a good actor.
You've always been a great actor, of course. I was just trying to say.
अब दिख रहा है लोगों को.
Clearly. So tell us, what is the next project in line? नवाज जी के साथ एक फिल्म आ रही है.
नूरानी चेहरा.
Tell us a little more about it.
That is also a comedy. And it's a super fun comedy. Usme Nawazuddin is there and Nupur is there, Nupur Sanin.
Okay.
And Jassi Gill is there and Dolly Ahluwalia. Again, a super fun ensemble cast. and we shot for it I think last year or yeah, early last year, the year before that, and waiting because I mean I have 2-3 releases and I'm just waiting for them to come up. And the thing is can't even talk, ज़्यादा बोल भी नहीं सकते हैं because अभी पता नहीं है ना कब रिलीज करेंगे, फिर रिलीज के बाद like even जो तेरा है वो मेरा है के बारे में I wanted to talk so much, and I was like okay we can't till the film is released because you don't know आप गलती से character क्या बता दोगे और story. But I'm very super excited about Noorani Chehra as well.
Sonali, tell us that, you know, personally now, since you have been a celebrity, आपने कहा कि you've come from कोलकाता से मुंबई आई लड़की, she's won pageants and she's made it big in the industry. How important is it for you as a celebrity to share your personal life on social media? ये कितना ज़रूरी होने लग गया है आपके लिए?
काफ़ी है ना, I think it काफ़ी, but in fact अभी the obvious question is that the obvious thing is that ज़रूरी तो हो ही गया है. The important question is that कितना ज़रूरी हो गया खुद को cut off करना.
Correct.
And in fact if anybody noticed, because I know that was definitely not a conscious thing, but subconsciously एक major change जो आया post pregnancy is that I went away from social media. Especially for the first few months, I just did not feel like opening it, posting anything. Usually I've had a team जो handle करती है, मेरी team भी नहीं थी, फिर मैंने सोचा ऐसे team को वापस लाऊं, at least वो कुछ, because as you said it's so important to
relevant
be relevant, to be seen. So I was like एक team को ले आती हूँ, वो करते रहेंगे, because मेरा तो बिल्कुल मन नहीं हो रहा. I literally hit a point where I was like मुझे कुछ पोस्ट नहीं करना. And if you actually go and see the March, April, May, I've gone, like I would do probably 2 posts in a month, and I'm someone who would do 3 posts in a week. तो वो वैसा वाला आ गया था. But it is important. I think it is important. But अभी ज़्यादा important हो गया है to know the right balance. कि आपको कितना, of course हमारे काम के लिए है. अभी जैसे I'm not obviously able to shoot for films for a couple of months. I mean for not couple, many months. And even till post delivery, I won't be shooting for any films. But there's other work, other brands that, you know, I have to talk about. I have to post because it's work. So in that sense, yes, and that I enjoy.
Were there any apprehensions when you all announced your pregnancy on social media?
Yeah, we both didn't want to announce. It was we in fact kept
and did you all keep delaying it?
Yeah. हमने कब से, and the people would ask me because हमने I think family और मतलब close friends को भी काफी 5th month में बताया था or maybe 4th month में, and then everybody was like, oh, when are you going to tell? And I was not showing also. And I was dressing in a way कि किसी को पता नहीं. फिर 6 month तक भी I remember वो एक video आई थी, and that went, and that kind of stirred a lot of questions where people genuinely speculated. Like we started getting calls like, so I was like, oh, okay, now I just can't say कि I had a big lunch yaar. Now I've crossed that point. So even then Ashish and I are someone, we're very private people, and we honestly really genuinely don't care what the world thinks कि हमें ये करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए, blah blah blah. Everybody was like, oh, but you must announce it, and you must. I'm like, but who made these rules? You know, when you talk about breaking the norms, like this is the one norm I honestly wanted to break, but who made these rules that I have to announce it? But honestly, after a point, which was almost like 6 months plus, I don't even remember now, and we both were like, okay, you know what, let's just do it, because anyway people are writing things, anyway people, so it's very like half baked कि किसी को बोले, फिर कोई बोलता है अच्छा हमें नहीं पता, हमें तो बताया नहीं, ओ हमें तो so and so के handle से पता चला, विरल के handle से, blah blah whatever, you know, Bollywood हंगामा से पता चला.
God, it was like waiting.
So we were like, you know what, let's just do it. Even then I remember some people suggested me that do a photo shoot and announce it, and I have nothing against that. I probably might just go ahead and do it also. But we're like, you know, the first one really has to come from heart. And Ashish and I, we are full heart people. Like dil se
it was too cute.
So and a lot of people think photo shoot hai. No, our boy Makish, who's like our family, but he basically works for us. Makish ne wo photos लिए हैं. हम लिटरली सुबह उठे थे, आशीष ने वही नाइट सूट पहना था, मैं जिम जाने वाली थी, मैंने वो ग्रीन वो पहना था. इफ यू नोटिस, आई हैव माय वन वीडियो आल्सो आफ्टर दैट इन दैट सेम, इट्स माय वर्कआउट आउटफिट, बिकॉज अभी कुछ फिट नहीं आता ना, तो एक ही अभी और 2-3 खरीद लिए, बट उस टाइम एक ही मेरे पास था, वो मैटरनिटी वाला, वही मैंने पहना था. सो लाइक चलो ठीक है, वी हैव नॉट शावर्ड, नथिंग, वी वर ऑन द बेड. I just got the snacks out, which I probably would have eaten उसके एक रात पहले, वो मैंने रखे हैं. I said, माँ के चल 2-3 फोटो निकाल, let's just put it out and let's just share.
And how
this.
you reacting to the comments that are coming? Like मैंने आपका जब वीडियो आपने डाला था of the inversion, I could see a bunch of people saying wow. Then there were a few people who were like, be careful, don't do this.
Yeah.
Then they were like, oh my god, this is so scary. But I love that आपने एक disclaimer भी डाला था about
But वो
everything.
पता है उसका रीजन क्या है डालने का? Because मुझे ट्रोलिंग से ना सख्त नफरत है और डर भी लगता है और इरिटेशन भी होती है.
Do you feel the need to reply to them?
No, I don't feel the need to reply, but I definitely feel the need. More than need, I feel like before people calm down, you jump to conclusions and start trolling me. I also wanted to write that before you start trolling me, this is what it is. But I was like, I'm going to just say what I have to. तो वो reason था, because I think लोग, because social media, attention span, few seconds, people don't. So I said, मैं वीडियो पे ही लिख देती हूँ कि प्लीज ये ऐसे मत शुरू हो जाना कि ओ मैं प्रेग्नेंट हूँ, चलो मैं शीर्षासन करती हूँ. इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट. इट्स लाइक मी टुडे सेइंग दैट चलो मैं सर्फिंग जाती हूँ, मैं अभी 7th मंथ में, लेट मी गो सर्फिंग. डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट. मैंने सर्फिंग कभी की नहीं है. आई एम नॉट स्टूपिड कि मैं चली जाऊंगी, राइट? सो सिमिलरली यू हैव टू डू what you have been doing, and that was the whole thing. But at the same time, like I was thinking कि नहीं डालती हूँ because लोग, but I was like, why am I thinking? I genuinely want to share it with people, so that if there are people जो plan कर रहे हैं pregnancies, maybe a year down the line, 2 years down the line, and you are interested in yoga and you like to practice or work on yourself, then start doing it now. So by the time you are pregnant, you can use it to your advantage. That's the whole thing. And my aim is always on social media to somewhere inspire people. And I know कि मेरा fitness content और मेरा yoga के बारे में, meditation, spirituality, mind, body, I know I get a lot of love for that, and I'm very grateful. And that is really my intention, to keep spreading that, because I genuinely believe in that lifestyle.
That's wonderful, wonderful. Now, since we were speaking about insecurities and you've been so open about you as an actor, जब आपको ये खबर मालूम पड़ी, was there an actor in you who had like these doubts going on कि क्या होने वाला है अब? And can you share कि that how you overcame that?
No, because I think वो मैं काफ़ी पहले overcome कर चुकी थी. Ashish and I, we've been dating, I mean, we had been dating for 6-7 years before we got married. अब हमें 8 साल हो जाएंगे साथ में होते हुए. हमारी शादी को 1 साल से ऊपर हो गया है. So obviously these were questions.
Yeah.
And we were planning to have a family and everything. And मैंने actually कोई भी चीज़ अपनी लाइफ में कभी ऐसे नहीं की है जो मेरा कि मैं ये मन मार के करूँगी. लाइक अगर मुझे शादी हमारी डेटिंग के पहले 2-3 साल नहीं शादी करनी थी तो हमने नहीं की, because we didn't feel the time was right. He was working, he was busy, I was busy. And then when you feel the time is right, then you embrace that. जो भी करो, full wholeheartedly करो. Plus, I think times have really changed. अभी नहीं फर्क पड़ता है कि आप, पहले भी नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए था, but unfortunately पहले women पे pressure ज़्यादा था. कि अगर आप pregnant हो जाओ तो आप acting नहीं कर सकते, या आपका career खत्म हो गया, या शादी हो गई. So अभी वो सब चीज़ें नहीं apply करती हैं. Yes, you of course take a break, but I think so do fathers. Yeah. Ranbir took a paternity leave for a year, right? So do fathers. Mothers and fathers go through it together, and you enjoy that phase. So honestly, एक second के लिए भी नहीं आया. The only thing is, I remember I was offered an action film exactly at that time. So that is something I kind of said no to, because action, though I think thoda sa, and it had a lot of things to do, harnessed and stuff, and it was in the first 3 months. In first 3 months, कहते हैं just be careful, and which I was. So I think that's the only, I mean, I don't even want to call it a sacrifice, because it didn't feel like a sacrifice. It was a no-brainer. Like, oh no, can't do it. Because it's really the biggest happiness.
The best part is that you're looking exactly the same. You're just glowing.
Yeah, just with a big lunch.
With a big lunch.
With a big lunch.
So, since this is a very exclusive first baby bump interview that you're doing with us.
Hi, I'm Sonali Sajnani, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.